Sentences for beginners and kids. A sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. There are two parts of sentences, a subject and predicate. What is a subject? A subject is the person, place, or thing that the sentence is about. What is predicate? The predicate tells us what the subject is or does. Subjects and predicates combine together to make sentences. Complete sentence. Subject is the naming part and predicate is the telling part. Naming part plus telling part equal complete sentence. The boy is playing. The boy is the naming part. So this is subject. Is playing is the telling part. So this is predicate. So both will make complete sentence. The boy is playing. Sentence rules. There are 4 rules. Rule number 1. A sentence begins with the capital letter. I am eating an apple. Sentence start with I, so I should be capital. Rule number 2. A sentence tells us a complete idea. Eat apple and I. Does it make sense? No. I eat an apple. It makes sense. So this is the complete idea. I eat an apple. Rule number 3. A sentence has a finger space between the words. I am a boy. I, finger space, am, finger space, a, then again, finger space, boy. I am a boy. So after each word, we will give 1 finger space. Rule number 4. A sentence ends with the punctuation marks. I will go to the mall. So we will put the punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. There are 3 important punctuation types. Type number 1, uses of period. It is used at the end of the declarative sentences. I will go to the park. Type number 2, use question mark. It is used at end of a direct question. Will I go to the park? So that's mean you will put question mark at the end of the sentence. Type number 3, use explanation mark. It is used to express strong feeling or emotions. Good night. So we will put explanation mark. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.